Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Adding central air conditioning to a home with an existing forced air heating system in a 2,000 square foot house averages $3,000 to $4,000. If ducts need to be added, the cost can double, and a split unit is the way to go.
Take our lead.
10 to 15 years. Though the lifespan of a home air conditioner varies based on many factors, those that are well maintained should last 10 to 15 years. And by completing regular checkups and repairs, both big and small, many systems can last even longer.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you don't mind the slightly higher upfront costs of a two-stage air conditioner, it's definitely worth it to install one. You'll not only see significant energy savings throughout your system's lifetime, but you'll also have a more comfortable home.
Take our lead.
Cost of central air for a 1,200 square foot house. The cost to install central air in a 1,200 square foot home sits between $3,000 and $4,000. Of course, this price varies based on the SEER rating of the unit, and whether or not the home requires ductwork installation or repair.
Make your mark, take our lead.
About 10 to 15 years. If you kept your air conditioner in good condition over its lifetime, expect to need a replacement in about 10 to 15 years. Keep in mind that as your AC grows older, its mechanical parts can become unavailable or obsolete over time. If you aren't able to replace a broken part, you will need to purchase new unit. 19 August 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
2 units allow for an easier time balancing the desired temperature in your home. Generally, one area of your home will be warmer or more difficult to cool than another. In a 2-story home, the upstairs area is often warmer, as warm air rises. Having 2 AC units in your home can help balance out the temperature. 1 November 2018.
Take our lead.
Central air cost. The setup will cost you $3.70 per day to run. Per month, that comes out to $110.88. On the higher end, running for more time each day in a large space, Realtor.com, 2017 estimates place central AC cooling homes of over 1,200 square feet at an average cost about $245 per month. 1 November 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.